Rami here. Much of what I have said has already been expressed in very similar ways by Jesus and many others in A Journey into the Unknown. I'm just adding a little realism and perspective here. If you were to rate the general craziness of the world on a 10-point scale, most of it would rate a 7.5 right now at this moment in time. Expect it to rise into the 8s, and then the 9s, and then finally be off the scale, past number 10, all while Christ is being happy-go-lucky, blessing and creating by giving love to love. This is how we build God's kingdom, our new world, while the old one combusts. We simply hold the energy. We hold it so that the new web can be tightly woven. This is all we need to do. I have previously stated that doing this is anything but easy, and one reason is because what you will see transpire in the house of illusion will be upsetting and even traumatizing. Simply bless, trust, and move on. Do not bring upsetting imagery with you into your day. Being empathetic is wonderful, but it can also be harmful to the empath. By now, everyone who is reading has had plenty of practice with this, due to the many examples of horror in the world over the past several years and even longer. Everything is in place now. The foundation for God's kingdom, the house of truth, is poured. Now we are ready for building and expanding. Your tasks are to stay clear and keep your true identity front and center. Remember that your small earthly identity is just that, a small earthly identity. With love, Rami.